Namaste. Welcome to Blishon Concept Teaching. In this class, we are going to discuss about divisibility rule of 11. Divisibility rule of 11. Any number whose absolute difference between the sum of digits in the even positions and sum of the digits in the odd positions is 0 or divisible by 11. Then a number is divisible by 11. Let me explain with an example. Now we have to find out 9317 is divisible by 11 or not. In 9317, 9 is in the first place and 3 is in the second place and 1 is in the third place and 7 is in the fourth place. Therefore, 9 is in the odd place and 3 is in the even place and 1 is in the odd place and 7 is in the even place. See here, don't get confused. Here we are not concentrating about the numbers, just we are concentrating on the places. Means 9 is in the first place, 3 is in the second place, 1 is in the third place, 7 is in the fourth place and 1 and 3 is a odd place and 2 and 4 is a even place. Step 2. Find out the sum of the numbers present in odd places. 9 is in the first place and 1 is in the third place. Means these are in the odd places. So we have to find out the sum of 9 and 1. That is 9 plus 1 is 10. Step 3. We have to find out the numbers present in the even places. In 9317, 3 is in the second place and 7 is in the fourth place. Means 3 and 7 are in the even places. Step 4. We have to find out the sum of the numbers present in the even places. That is 3 plus 7. 3 plus 7 is 10. Step 5. Now we have to find out the difference between the sum of the digits in the even places and sum of the digits in the odd places. That is, the sum of the digits in the odd places is 10 and sum of the digits in the even places is 10. Now we have to subtract these two. That is 10 minus 10 is 0. Step 6. It is the last step. In this step, we will come to the conclusion that a given number is divisible by 11 or not. Step 6. Any number whose absolute difference between the sum of digits in the even places and sum of digits in the odd places is 0 or divisible by 11, then a given number is divisible by 11. Here the difference is 0. Therefore 9317 is divisible by 11. Now let's verify 9317 is divisible by 11 or not by standard division algorithm method. 11 8s are 88. 93 minus 88 is 5. Next we have to bring this 1 down, that is 51. 11 4s are 44. 51 minus 44 is 7. Next we have to bring this 7 down, that is 77. 11 7s are 77. 77 minus 77 is 0. Since the remainder is 0, it means 9317 is completely divisible by 11. Now we have to find out 61809 is divisible by 11 or not. Step 1. Identify the number present in the odd places. In 61809, 6 is in the first place and 1 is in the second place. 8 is in the third place. 0 is in the fourth place and 9 is in the fifth place. Therefore, 6 is in the odd place, 1 is in the even place, 8 is in the odd place, 0 is in the even place and 9 is in the odd place. Listen carefully. Here we are concentrating on the places and we are not concentrating about the numbers. Since 1, 3, 5 are odd places, so 6, 8 and 9 are in the odd places. 2 and 4 are the even places, so 1 and 0 is in the even places. Step 2. Find out the sum of the numbers present in the odd places. Since 6, 8 and 9 are in the odd places, we have to find out the sum of 6, 8 and 9. That is 6 plus 8 plus 9 is 23. Step 3. Identify the number present in the even places. That is 1 is in the second place. So 1 is in the even place. Since 0 is in the fourth place, so 0 is in the even place. Step 4. Find out the sum of the numbers present in the even places. That is 1 plus 0 is 1. Step 5. Find out the difference between the sum of the digits in the even places and odd places. That is, sum of the odd places is 23 and sum of the even places is 1, and the difference between 23 and 1 is 22. 23 minus 1 is 22. Step 6. Any number whose absolute difference between the sum of digits in the even places and sum of the digits in the odd places is 0 or divisible by 11, then a given number is divisible by 11. That is, here the sum of the differences of odd places and even places is 22 and 22 is divisible by 11. 11 2s are 22. 22 minus 22 is 0. Since the remainder is 0, 22 is divisible by 11. Since 22 is divisible by 11, 61,809 is also divisible by 11. Now let's verify 61,809 is divisible by 11 or not by standard division algorithm method. 11 5s are 55. 61 minus 55 is 6. Next we have to bring this 8 down. That is 68. 11. 6 are 66. 68 minus 66 is 2. Next we have to bring this 0 down. 20. 11. 1s are 11. 20 minus 11 is 9. Next we have to bring this 9 down. That is 99. 11 9s are 99. 99 minus 99 is 0. Since the remainder is 0, it means 61,809 is completely divisible by 11. Third example, 1332. Now we have to find out 1332 is divisible by 11 or not. Let us follow the steps and let's see 1332 is divisible by 11 or not. In 1332, 1 is in the first place and 3 is in the second place and this 3 is in the third place and this 2 is in the fourth place. Here we are concentrating about the places, not about the numbers. Since 1 is in the one place, so 1 is in the odd place and this 3 is in the even place because this 3 is in the second place and this 3 it is in the third place. It means this 3 it is in the odd place and 2 is in the fourth place. So 2 is in the even place. Now let's find out the sum of the numbers present in the odd places. That is 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. Now let's identify the numbers in the even places. This 3 and 2 is in the even places because this 3 it is in the second place and this 2 is in the fourth place. They are in the even places. Now let's identify the numbers in the even places. This 3 and 2 is in the even places because this 3 it is in the second place and this 2 is in the fourth place. They are in the even places. Now let's find the sum of the numbers present in the even places. That is 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. Now let's find out the difference between the sum of the numbers in the even places and the sum of the numbers in the odd places. That is 4 and 5. Here the bigger number is 5. So I will subtract 4 from 5. That is 5 minus 4 is 1. Here the difference between the sum of the even places and the sum of the odd places is not 0. It is 1 and 1 is not divisible by 11. Therefore, this 1332 is also not divisible by 11. Now, let's verify this by using standard division algorithm method. 11 ones are 11. That is 13 minus 11 is 2. Next we have to bring this 3 down. That is 23. 11 twos are 22. And 23 minus 22 is 1. Next we have to bring this 2 down. That's 11 ones are 11. 12 minus 11 is 1. And the remainder is 1 here. It means 1332. It is not completely divisible by 11. Hope you have understood. A related divisibility rule videos link is in the description box. Thank you.